Teklean's automatic filters offer a cost-effective solution that saves you time and money daily. You can say goodbye to the laborious task of cleaning and replacing filters, screens, bags, cartridges, and spray nozzles when using Teklean's self-cleaning technology. Let's take a closer look at how our filters operate. Dirty water enters the filter through the inlet and passes through a coarse screen that protects the fine screen from any large particles that might damage it. The water then moves down the center of the filter body, passing through the fine screen. Clean water exits the filter through the outlet, while dirt and other particulates are trapped on the inside of the screen. Over time, the trapped dirt accumulates and forms a dirt cake effect on the filter screen mesh. This buildup of particulates causes a pressure drop at the outlet, which is constantly monitored by a differential pressure, also known as a DP sensor. Once a pressure differential of 5 to 7 pounds is reached, the electronic controller activates a flush valve to initiate a backwash cycle. There is uninterrupted flow during the backwash, allowing for continuous filtration. When the backwash cycle is triggered, the dirt collector moves linearly and axially, suctioning the entire surface area of the fine screen. The flush time is adjusted to match the travel time of the piston's indicator pin. The pin moves from the home position to fully extended and back home at the conclusion of the backwash cycle. This ensures that the screen is cleaned and ready for use again and again. By implementing a Tekleen filter, you can ensure reliable and efficient filtration while also saving time and money on maintenance and replacement costs. With Tekleen filters, you not only receive high-quality filtration, but also benefit from 24/7 customer support and in-house engineering. Our team is here to assist you every step of the way, ensuring your filtration needs are met with the utmost care and attention. Reach out today for a free price quote or to speak to one of our filtration experts about your application.